Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine. Please open your workbooks today. As you know that we have completed our lesson number 6, the flying machine 1 and all of its exercises so far. So today we will be doing the exercises of workbook. Okay. As you know that the last activity of the flying machine 1 was adverb. So here again they are repeating the same activity. They want us to choose an adverb from the box to describe each action. Students, as you know that adverbs are something that describes more about verbs or actions. So what they have done in the box, they have given us plenty of adverbs, and here they have mentioned verbs. So we will choose the suitable adverbs and we will fill the blanks. Okay. So the number 1 verb is running. Running is what? It is verb. So what we are going to add something from this box which will be suitably describe this action. Okay. So quickly is something that describes running more perfectly, isn't it? Okay. B is singing. So how someone can sing? We will we will read this box and we will choose sweetly from this box. Singing sweetly. C is barking, and what you are going to choose from this box? Loudly. D is marching. The way soldiers used to, or a band used to march. So they used to march smartly. Next is dancing. When somebody is dancing, what we used to speak about it? Gracefully. The girl is gracefully dancing. And the last is crawling. So how the baby used to crawl? Slowly. So hope you have understood that how these verbs got their suitable adverbs from the box. Okay. In the next activity, they said write one sentence about each picture. There are the pictures and here are the blanks. Okay. Here you are going to write the sentences about these pictures. Okay. So the first picture is about two boys and they are running. So how we will use adverbs related to this picture? The boys are running quickly. Got it? As we have just done here in these examples, we will pick the verb right from here and we will choose the adverbs from the blanks. Okay, this is how we are going to write sentences about these pictures. In second picture, you can see there is a girl who is singing. So what will be the sentence? The girl is singing sweetly. Got it? In the third picture, there is a dog, and what we have just done here? Barking and loudly. So what the dog is doing? The dog is barking loudly. In D picture, you can see there is a band. And what are they doing? They are marching. And how they are marching? The band is marching sweetly. Got it? E is dancing. And how the girl is dancing? The girl is dancing gracefully. And the last one is crawling. There is a baby. And what is he doing? He is crawling. And how he is crawling? Slowly. The baby is crawling slowly. These sentences you are going to write here in these given blanks. Okay, I have written them for you. I hope you have understood the pictures and the relationship of suitable adverbs with verbs. Okay.